Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Here comes part 2 that I promised you in the previous video. This ride takes you from Friendship Avenue halfway down to San Fernando in towards Andoer City, passing by Napa Mall, and I will show you a little bit of the area and construction going on, and the roads are all messed up, but it's a nice ride, and I love to get out and do my rides like this a little bit here and there. I like to get out of the house, and when I do, I get on my bike. So come on for the ride. Right, the next intersection, if you make a left turn, you're going into Andoer by Napa Mall. And you make a right turn, right will take you into Borac.
Borac, Bataan.
Bataan.
What else? Guagua. No. Yeah, I think. Guagua.
Alright, this road here, we just got off the Friendship Highway. This will take us right into Napa Mall. And wherever you go, if you look straight ahead here, again you see Mount Orion. It always races up on the street like a memory of the volcanic activity here in the Philippines. So if you continue to the right here, where the tricycles are going down, you're getting into Napa Mall.
Yeah.
And this takes us down towards
Andoer.
right ahead of us.
Yeah. Oh, this is our chance to ask the rubber dumper.
I already did today.
You did?
Yeah, I went by there on my way home.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So, what they say?
Well, they said they haven't gotten the parts. It's delayed.
Still in Manila?
I don't know. It's hard to get an answer from any spare part.
Yeah.
So that's another story here we have. You know, I need a clutch wire for this bike. I'm working on using a temporary wire that doesn't really fit good, but it's working. So I ordered original parts, and it was ordered like 7 weeks ago already, and I haven't heard anything back. I ordered a rubber dumper 3 weeks ago because I do need a rubber dumper. It's worn out. I guess, where are we going here?
I think there's fixing the road.
Oh yeah, they're really breaking up the road here.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm sure we can get down here. All right, you were in a hurry to get in front of me, so
That was close.
It's a hurry to get in front of me. And then he stops.
That was close.
Oh.
What?
One way.
One way.
Wow, we can't make a left turn here anymore.
Yeah.
Ah, that's interesting. Alright, I guess
Need
we
to
have
go to the other way. No way. Oh, look at the horse.
Yeah, feel
There's
it?
also the horse. Oh, look at the horse. Opa. It's so busy. It's a busy day here. U-turn. You can U-turn here. You can do U-turn. Oh, there you go. Ra-da-da-da. So we're not going too far.
That's interesting.
Yeah, we call it Calesa.
They shut down the streets here pretty much. That's what I always been saying. Construction,
Yeah, look, look, look.
construction. Yeah.
That was nice. Calesa. We call
Yeah.
Calesa.
It smells like horse crap.
Yeah.
Oh, streets are busy. It's not Friday today. No, it's Thursday.
Thursday. You know why? Because traffic here. Because the other road is blocked. They blocked the other road. So all the commuters, they went in this way. That's why.
Yeah. Alright, now we're coming down to the downtown area.
Another turn. Ah, this one is on the...
Yeah, now we're coming up on the roundabout in downtown Andoer.
Oh yeah.
Pure Gold is here. To the right you have the market. Down that way.
That's a market over there.
Yeah.
Oh, the sun.
It's busy here today.
Yeah. It's a busy day. Market, market.
my dentist.
The one?
So Dental Clinic.
Ah,
Up in this building to the right.
okay. Hello. Okay, good. What's that? There's a lot of kids on that tricycle.
Yeah. All right, guys. That took you through Andoer's downtown, and we are wrapping this one up.
Yeah.
Feel free to
Feel
subscribe,
free to subscribe our channel,
like,
likes,
comment,
comments,
thumbs up,
thumbs up,
thumbs down.
thumbs down,
And what do we do when we do thumbs down?
do a message, send a message,
Send a message, make a comment
yeah,
below.
comment
Why?
below.
Why you did a thumbs down.
Yeah.
That helps us getting better.
Yes.
Thank you very much. God bless. See you next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.